Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to set up the environment for automation testing. For our UI automation, we will use Selenium WebDriver with Java. Okay, so our first steps will be download and install JDK, which is stand for Java Development Kit, and we are going to use the version 8. After that, we will download and install the IntelliJ, and we are going to download the community version, which is free. Then we will download and install the Maven. After we complete all these three steps, then we'll create our first Java project to make sure everything is set up correctly. So now first let's download Java. So what you can do, open Chrome browser, and in the Google search, just have download JDK 8 for Windows. Then it will give you the link. Like right now it says Java AC8 archive downloads. Make sure it's coming from the oracle.com. So click on it. Then you see Java AC8 archive download. And if you scroll down a little bit, it's a Java AC development kit. Under this, go scroll down, and you will, since we are going to use the Windows, and my machine is Windows 64. So I'm going to download this one. Make sure it says JDK, okay, not the JRE. If you see at the bottom, it says Java AC runtime, which is JRE. So you're not going to use the JRE. We are going to use the JDK. So click JDK, then check the checkbox, click download. And in order to download, you have to register or create an account in Oracle. So if you do not have any account, click create account. Then it will, you have to provide your valid email address. Then the password you enter, make sure you remember that password. And job title, you can say like NA, not applicable. Company name, you can say not applicable, because we are going to use this Java for practice purpose. And you can, these two fields, you can provide NA, and everything else you provide your information. And after that, you click create an account. So after you create, click and create account, Oracle will send you the email address you provide here for verification purpose. And that email also will have the link. So if you click that link will take you to this location. So after that, you provide your email address and password and click sign in. So as soon as you click sign in, the download will be started. As you see, it is downloading to my download folder. So I'm going to open my download folder. You see the download has been completed. Okay, so now I'm going to do the installation. So before I do the installation, I'm going to check if the Java, if I have Java in my system or not. So in the search box on the here on the taskbar, type CMD, which is a command prompt, and enter, and just type Java -version. You see, Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So now we are going to install Java. So just close this window and double click on this JDK. It will give you the warning. The Windows alert window will be pop up. So just click yes. Then click next. And this is the location where JDK will be stored. So click next. So it will take few minutes based on your speed, computer speed. Okay. Then another window will become, you say, then click OK. Then destination folder, everything, leave it as it. So click next. So Java AC development kit, it successfully installed. So click close. So now I'm going to the location where Java is installed. So click on the C drive, local. If you click on this PC and this local disk, then click on program files. So you see the Java. So click on Java, and JDK is installed in here. So click on JDK, and I'm going to set the environment path. So I'm going to copy this location. So you can JDK 1.8, click on it and just copy. Now on the search box, type edit environment, edit the system environment. You see, I just type edit and make sure if you type edit, if it is not displayed, just continue type like edit the system environments. So click on it, then click environment variable, and here under this system variable, I am going to click new and type capital letter Java underscore home, and I'm going to simply, I already copied the Java home path, I mean JDK home path. I'm going to paste it here and click OK. Now one more thing I have to do here is I need a bin folder location. So you see the bin folder, and again copy this location, and under the system variable you see the path, and click edit and click new and paste it here. Click OK. So Java has been added. So also you can do the same thing on the user variable as well. So I'm going to, let's add this bin folder in the user variable as well. So click on, okay, cancel, select path, new, not new, I mean edit, then click new, Control V, and okay. And also I'm going to add the home as well. So this is the whole JDK home, copy, and here click new, again Java underscore home, Control B, click OK, and close the window. Please OK, click OK. So you can close all the window. Now I'm going to open the command prompt again. So CMD and type Java -version. See, Java version 1.8. So that means Java is installed successfully. So our next steps will be download and install IntelliJ community version and download and install Maven. Okay. So let's install here the Maven first, then I can download the IntelliJ. So download and install Maven. Again, go Google, go to the Google search box, and you can type download Maven, and make sure the is coming from maven.apache.org. Click on it, download, and then scroll down, and we are going to download the binary. See the binary zip here. So click here. So now it will be download to your download folder. Now I'm going to the download folder again. And this is the zip. So I have to extract, unzip first. So right click on it, then click extract all. And for now, I'm going to extract in the download location. Okay, close this window. So now you see this is the folder here, Apache Maven 3.9.1 bin, and this is the Apache Maven here, right? So what I'm going to do, since this is the download folder, I am going to create another folder, and I'm going to copy this to that folder. So I'm going to copy this folder, copy this one. You see here next to the scissor icon, so copy. Now I'm going to go my documents. Let's do user, C drive, user, username, then documents. Here right now is currently empty, so I'm going to create a new folder and name it software. So all the software, like like we will install or download and install lots of software. I'm going to put all those software under here. So open this software and paste it here. So Maven, I'm going to paste here. Okay. So now I have to add these in the environment path as well. The reason is if I say MVM hyphen version, you see it's MVM is not recognized as internal or external. So I have to add this Maven to the environment path, the similar way that we did Java. So I'm going to enter Maven and copy this path, then click edit the system environment, and click environment variable. And under the system variable, I'm going to click new. And here I'm going to say Maven underscore home. And this is the Maven home. Okay, click OK. Again, I'm going to the Maven, click on the bin, and copy this bin location. And then I'm going to go to click on the path, then edit, new, and Control V. Click OK. Click OK. And here one more thing I need to show you. Sometimes based on your computer configuration, sometimes if you think it's not working, it's better to add in both location, user variable and the system variable. First, let's try. I just use add the Maven in the system variable. It should work for my configuration. If not, for you it is not working, just add here as well, Maven home and the path as well. Okay, so click OK. Click OK. I'm going to close everything, include this one, then open the CMD again. CMD, and type ambient space hyphen version. You see Apache Maven 3.91 has been successfully download and install in our system. Okay, so now next I'm going to download the IntelliJ. Okay. Next, we are going to download and install the IntelliJ. We're going to download the community version, which is free. Okay. Again, open Chrome browser and go to the Google search box and type download IntelliJ. You should download IntelliJ. And this is the official site, jetbrains.com. Click on it. and make sure you download the community edition because it's free. So download. So as soon as you click download, it will download to your download folder. I'm going to go to my download folder. Is it still downloading? So download is complete. So double click on it. So it will give you the Windows alert message again and click yes. And after that, you will see this, the setup. So click next. Leave everything as default. So the click next. Here, you see the create a desktop shortcut. So check this box. So it will create a shortcut on your desktop. So click next and click install. So now it will take a few minutes. So IntelliJ has been installed successfully. So now I'm going to check this checkbox, run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and click finish. So now it will run automatically. So it will take a few minutes. So very first time you will see this agreement. So just click, I confirm that I have read the accept. Without that, you will not able to open IntelliJ. So check this checkbox and click continue. So IntelliJ, this is the default IntelliJ dashboards looks like. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new project and we are going to open that project in the IntelliJ. So now let me open File Explorer, and under the Documents folder, I am going to create a workspace. So let me go back local disk again, then users, then the username, then documents. See, under these documents, I'm going to create a new folder. And name of this folder, I'm going to say workspace. Okay, so while my, if I have a like 10, 20 or 4, 5, whatever number of project I have, I can put everything in under this workspace. Okay, so leave it here for now. And here, now go back to the IntelliJ and click new projects. And name of these projects. Okay, so I say Java test. You can name it any project name. But right now we are going to just test if our setup is correct or not, right? So now this is the location. So two way you can put this location. So now one, you see this file here. I mean the folder. So click on this folder. Then under the C drive, you see the user. Then you will see the workspace should be listed here. I mean, it's then documents, and you see the workspace. You can select this workspace and click OK. So this is one way. Another way, you can just, copy this this URL, or this not a URL. This is the location, right? You can copy that and you can paste it here and click create. You have a name, location. And also you see the build system right now is select the IntelliJ, select Maven, and click create. As soon as you create, you see the Java_test project has been created. And now it will be, looks like this is still loading. Okay, so now next we are going to, you see this is the, since we had used the Maven during our creation, I mean during our setup, that's why it give you the form.xml and also the project structure. So all our test script or test, it will be it will be under this test. Okay, so test Java. Now we are going to create a Java class. So right click on Java, new, then Java class, and you can say hello world. Enter. And put the cursor after the curly braces, click enter. And we need the main method. So type MAIN, then press the control, then press shift. So control shift and then enter. If you press control shift and enter, it will type out automatically for you. Otherwise, you have to type manually public static void main, right? So now I'm going to print the hello world. So again, type SOUT, S out, then control space, then enter. So it will print out like that. So that is the shortcut. Otherwise, you can type system.out.println like this, like system.out.println. Same thing, like you type it out. So shortcut is out, control space, and then enter. Okay. So now inside this bracket, I'm going to put the double quotation and just say hello world. And you can continue to type the string like this is my first Java. This is my first program. You can type anything like that, right? So now click anywhere and right click and run. And it will display on the console hello world. Even though you see, like I type a small letter AC, but you can just put the capital hello world like ACA, LLOWRL. Okay, so you see it has been printed in the console. So that means our setup is working as expected. Okay, thank you.